welcome back. It's your boy Cragzik from AIRSOFT Noob. Got the toys on display. Today I'm going to talk to you about the G&G combat machine. My old one sadly perished. I broke it. So I'm going to tell you all about my new G&G combat machine. It's not brand new, but I acquired this from my mate Jordan, who's give up, and it's now mine, and I'll talk to you about it. Easy peeps, it's your boy Cragzik from AIRSOFT Noob, and I've got my new G&G. Well, it's not brand new. I got this off my mate Jordan, who's given up. Just work commitments and stuff, and misses and babies and all that jazz, you know. So my old G&G, it kind of died, and it was going to cost a bit too much to fix up. So I procured this one, which I took all my stuff off my other weapons. Well, my other gun, my old G&G, and just transferred them across. Kept the stock original as it fits my batteries quite well. Got quite a lot of these mags. All the balls always fall out. Before grip, as I talked about before, I've transferred that one across. I've added a laser sight this time, as you know, I have to mess about, I have to get my little gadgets. Laser sight. Yep. Silencer is it's a G&G armament one. It's quite hefty when you take it off, but it's a really nice looking piece of kit. Got the torch with the little pressure pad. Me holographic sight, red and green dot, and I've got a protector because these things do get shot out. I've seen it done. It's back to being my favourite. I've got three airsoft rifles. I've got the Lancer L and the MP5 SD6. This one's still my favourite. It's just a quality gun. It works. I love it. I love it. It is not my lightest gun. It's the best performing gun. I've gone back down to 7.4 batteries as I've got an abundance of them. So I've got about 4 or 5 that I do take with me when I am out on the field, on the game. This one works exactly as my other one. If you've seen my other video, it's exactly the same rifle, ambidextrous controls. I have put a trigger guard on, and I've tried to find these for my other rifles. I can't seem to find them, so if anybody does know where I can get one from, send me a link please. I would muchly appreciate it. There's not much to tell you that I haven't already told you about the G&G. Quality weapon for the price. If you can't afford like your Tokyo Marui stuff, this thing will work and it will perform very, very well. If you can come up with any sort of questions that you would like me to answer about this gun, find me on Facebook, NWA Airsoft, or put a message down below. But there it is, and I'm not going to roll on about it. I'm just going to let you look. What are you saying? I'll leave it there in a bit.